what we did. We extracted the device because we're prepping it as for initial use. We took WD-40. We applied WD-40 to the device. As you can see, our stone has a smoother edge to it, and then a slightly rougher edge. What's going on, son? Right? So we went ahead. We applied small, short circles with the rougher edge first, eliminating all the rust that was already applied on here, and then we switched to the smoother side, and we repeated the process. We did that with the vise. We did that on the table over here. And now we're going to place the vise so we can zero it to the machine. I need you to take the vise from Kim and safely place it on the table.
Just a side note, we are doing this in the MWMSS, so space is going to be a little bit tighter.
So just like that, this part goes towards you always.
Like this?
Yep. These are the nuts to secure the device to the table. You see these grooves right here, Sergeant Kim? So, see these grooves? They match up? Yep. Just take them in, slide them through. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put them onto your vise. You're gonna tighten one down, and the other one you're gonna snug it just a little bit so you can be able to play left and right with the vise. Right? It's gonna come into play with the next step. What size is that bolt? 7/8. 7/8 is the size of the nuts for the vise.
Take notes. You remember it?
The first bolt, one side you're going to tighten it nice and tight. One side only. Right? And then the other side, okay, alright. And then the other side, you're just going to snug it because when you come down and you do the lateral, the robot do, you're going to have to hit it tap. And then close it. Tighten it. You good? Alright. Here's your dial. It's inside.
Yep,
There's
dial.
your dial. It's inside your collet. All right. We're gonna raise our Z. Actually, go ahead, raise your Z.
Do you need to show them how to put that in there?
What?
Do you need to show them how to put it in there?
I'm gonna.
Bring your Z up.
How to put the
Hand
So,
job.
to move
Hand
to
job.
move axes. It's with the hand jog. Okay, so you're here, right? I need you to get here. How do you get here? Remember? Position. Go ahead. Put it on hand go. Alright. Yeah, like. Okay, so move. Just move. Now, what axis are we trying to move? We're trying to move the Z, right? And you're on what?
X.
And how do you know you're on X?
This is the yellow
Highlighted,
highlighted.
right? So now we gotta get to the Z. How do we get to the Z? So we switch axes. Now we know we're gonna move our Z and nothing else is gonna move. So I need you to bring your Z up. If you're confused, you just move it a little bit. You see which way it's moving. That's the highest the Z goes? Oh. The other one goes like about yay tall, right? So I was expecting it to go up, right? So mind you, because there's nothing here that I can cut myself with, I'm not gonna grab it with a rag. Safety purpose, right? But if we are gonna grab this, I'll do it. Right? Come down here. See these little grooves right here? You line them right here. Right? So if you put it in this way, it's not gonna work. It has to be aligned. These grooves with these grooves on the table right here. Right? These also rotate for these. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna line them. You're just gonna hit this button. And it's gonna suck it up. The hydraulics are gonna suck it in, right? It's not gonna
So that's like a normal gap right there?
Yep. That's almost right there. Alright. Now, you remember the button that I told you that you have to hit to orientate the spindle? Will you find it? Orientate the spindle for me, Sir Kim. So once you place the tool in, you go to your functions. You hit oriented spindle and okay.
No, he has to go to MDI. There you go. Watch the spindle.
Do I have to clear all this out or no?
Nope. Just doors. So close the door.
That's close.
Okay. Boom.
You saw how I moved? Did you see how I rotated? So now it's oriented, right? But what happened now?
It's the wrong way.
It's facing the wrong way, right? So now you're gonna have to loosen it, adjust it, and retighten it so that the dial caliper is facing you and not. You're not gonna be able to read the dial caliper if it's facing towards the wall. You can do that, sorry.
Now try to spin the spindle. With your
Yeah,
hand.
remember how I was doing it freely?
Try it now.
Try rotating it with your hand now.
Yep.
Sergeant Bemis is gonna go ahead and set up the dial real quick.
Don't let it fall.
Keep one hand underneath the dial so when it loosens.
Yeah, it's spinning with me.
Is it?
Yeah.
It shouldn't.
Okay, so we'll do it the old school way then. You know it's facing this way, right? So it's gotta come opposite. So loosen it, bring it back, facing this way.